Alright, let's look at this. So we have students and examinations. We have a students table with student ID, student name, int, varchar, subjects table, column name of subject name and varchar, student ID, subject name, int, varchar. We are going to write a SQL query to find the number of times each student attended each exam. We return the result table ordered by student ID and subject name. The query result format is in the following example. Okay, so we have the input here. We're outputting a table like this. So we get a student's table, subject table, and examination table, and we make a 4-column table out of that. So what we're going to do here is we're going to select s.studentID, s.studentName, sub.subjectName. Alright, let's try it. So s.student underscore ID, comma s.subject underscore name, comma sub.subjectName. Student underscore name. Count e.studentID as attended exams. From students s cross join subject sub lift join examinations. We are using student ID, comma subject name. Student underscore ID, comma subject underscore name. Group by s dot student underscore ID sub dot order by student underscore ID subject underscore name. Alright, let's try this. So we select from these areas, and we're aliasing this as attended underscore exams. Then we have from students s, we have cross join subject sub, lift join examinations e, using these. We have group by with these, and we have order by with student ID as subject name, which, let's see, let's try submitting. Okay, let's see what we could have done wrong here. Alright, let's see if that works. Cool, that was correct. Thank you for watching my video. I look forward to making more videos giving descriptions and examples of SQL operations. Cool thing about this website too is you can look at other solutions and see how they compare. For example, this person here has 3 solutions. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Have a great afternoon, evening, morning, or night. See you next time.